Hi, this is Teresa Zobrist, and in this video, I would like to share with you the need for visual merchandising for the digital store. Similar to the physical store, the digital merchandiser wants to connect the shopper to the brand by creating a level of aesthetic that is appealing, that's pleasing to the eye, while helping the consumer find products in a simple, logical way. Well, she needs to see her products visually in order to achieve that. In her daily tasks, she's looking at product presentations, meaning products, categories, filters, and facets. Review sales data and see what's selling and not selling and why. Check inventory as the store is open 24 by 7, so things change from minute to minute. And look at campaigns and promotions. So let's look at product presentations. As she's using Salesforce as her e-com platform, she can use Business Manager, Merchant Tools, and look at her catalogs. So first thing is she needs to set the category position to sorting rules. Now this is very key because now she can position her products and be able to see them visually. So you can see that she can select a category, a subcategory, and she select the grid view, and the system will load all of her products as thumbnails. And now she can move them around by drag and drop. And this is very key because without this positioning, products are randomly displayed on the screen, right? So the next operation is to add a product to a category. So she would select the target category first. Then she would find a product from a source category. And this is the backpack category. When she select that, she will see all the products in that particular category. She would find the right pack. There it is, and select that. And it has been added to the bottom of that particular the target category. So now let's do the same with Smart Merchandiser. You would select a store, you select a catalog, the campus catalog, and it's instant gratification because you'll see all the products as thumbnails. Oops, there is products that are low inventory, so I want to move to the bottom. I'm going to select a 3-column view. I'm going to add the right pack to the copy pad. Do a add products, point to the target category, commute, and save. And there's the commute category with the backpack added to it. There it is. The next operation is to add a color variant. Are you ready? This is very common for merchandisers to do because we want to show different products in additional categories. Let's start with Business Manager. Let's create a variation group in Business Manager. First, we find the base product, and then we lock it for editing because we're going to create a variation out of it. We select the variation, give it a name, an ID, give it a name, and apply a color to it. Unlock the base group because now we need to lock the variation for editing. We give it a name, Right Pack Misty Rose, a more descriptive name than the ID. and apply. Um, then we need to publish and unlock the variation group, and it's ready to be released. Let's perform the same operation in Smart Merchandiser. Click the variation group icon. In the same fashion, we give it an ID, pick a color, edit, and then we decide to publish the variation group in the same category, close to be done. Now we can look at the bottom of the page and we'll find the variation group at the bottom of the page. Wouldn't it be nice to make it even simpler? Introducing leading color and leading image, two unique features offered by Smart Merchandiser. With leading color, I feature the same product in a different color in a different category using a color attribute value. In this particular example, I select the leading color icon and I'm presented with a number of colors. I can select the color, see what it looks like on the left-hand side, change my mind, select another color that looks good and close. That's so simple and so easy. With leading image, I introduced the product in a different angle to make the listing page more exciting and more artistic. With leading image, I can choose an image from a set of alternatives to showcase a particular perspective of the product. Select the leading image icon, and I'm presented with a number of alternate images I can choose from. Select the one that best represents the product, close, and this change on the page. I can repeat the same operation with another product. In this case, I choose to represent the backpack on the student to give a better perspective. And there it is. Make Business Manager visual with Smart Merchandiser. Contact us at smartmerchandiser.com for a demo. Thank you.